the risk, what risk did you took that time by stopping it unnecessary that time? I'm talking. Don't need to stop. Why are we stopping?
Oh, because there's plenty of space.
There is plenty of space, isn't it? And the way you stopped, if there would have been any car behind you, they have to stop unnecessarily. But whose road is this anyway? Come on, keep going.
Oh, mine.
Keep going. It's your road. Where is the car parked? Is it on our side or their side?
Ah, yes. Okay, fine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Positioning a bit more to the left. The car's parked on their side.
Yep.
Technically, who should be giving way to who?
They should be giving way to me because of the car park. Right, fine. Yeah, done.
As you turn left at the roundabout, you kept your position very nicely. Good. As you were going up, now it is a two-way lane. One road, two-way lane. There was no hesitation. There was no hazard in front of us. You stopped because you saw the car coming. But the risk, what risk did you took that time by stopping it unnecessary that time? I'm talking about not where the car was, before that. You know, as you turn.
Back there.
Yes.
That I couldn't see.
So you stopped there.
Yep.
And there was no cars in front of us, right?
Yep, correct. And
What
I
if
just
they,
gone.
what about if there would have been any car behind you? What would they be anticipated you to stop?
They would have been
unnecessary?
anticipating it because they would have been seeing
they
that it
might
was our
have
road.
hit you at the back, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah.
So that important. You don't want to be doing that. And if you do want to stop, always check your mirrors first before you do that. Okay.
Yep.
Now after that, as we're going on the top, there were two cars parked on the right side. Now there was a car coming. You saw it, I saw, but the car was far back.
Yeah.
Now, did that car already left those parked cars, or he was far back?
He was far back.
So technically, whose road is that?
It's mine.
So, and also, who should have got a priority?
Me.
You.
Yeah.
Now, just want to clear this and watching people like this as well. Just because it's your road, it is your priority. But remember, if somebody have committed, means if that car would have already left those parked cars, then what would you do? Slow down and let that car go.
Give them space.
There you go, mate. But he didn't.
Yeah.
So if you're gonna be stopping it like that because he was far back, then it will be a totally different scenario. Examiner will classify that as hesitation.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. So you need to make sure that when the car was coming, always ask yourself how fast the car is coming.
Yep.
Is he slowing down? Who have got a priority? If everything is good, you go. If he's got any doubt, then stop.
Yep,
Got
perfect.
it?
Yep. So because he was behind the parked cars.
And he was
could have
quite
gone
far back
perfectly
as
fine.
well. And he wasn't coming fast, was it?
Yeah,
He was
no.
slowing down.
Yeah.
So look at the speed, how fast
Okay,
they're
fine.
coming as well. Okay?
Yep.
Good. Let's drive off whenever you're ready, please.